Welcome. Bienvenidos. Wahi. Bienvenue. Ahalambika. Bakadazua. Akwaba. How to grill the tastiest tilapia.
Welcome. So, here's our tilapia. Here's our onion, ginger, garlic, rosemary, red pepper, lemon or lime, cornstarch or corn flour, curry powder, chili, red pepper powder, salt. You are ready to go. Come on.
So these are the ingredients that we are going to need to grill the tastiest tilapia. Now I'm going to add the curry powder. Then add your red chili powder pepper to the chopped onion, garlic, rosemary. Then add your lemon or lime to it. Sieve it so that the seeds does not get inside. Add only little water to it. We want the mixture to be thick, so add only little water. Blend it well. Oh, I forgot one thing. That is salt. If you forget salt, then please stop grilling it. Otherwise, you are wasting time. It will not taste good. So add salt to taste. Be careful of the salt. When blending, you can dance more. So after blending it, pour some into a bowl. Don't pour all. We are going to need the little left over in the blender. Add water to it. Maybe 3 glasses of water is good. Now please find a bowl. We are going to put the tilapia inside. Please, when cleaning the tilapia, cut it into 3. Use your knife to mark it. Don't cut it like use the knife to mark it 3. Small mark. After that, cover it and put it inside the fridge. Put it inside the fridge for about 3 hours or 2 hours. You can add a little salt to it if the salt is not okay. After keeping it inside the fridge for about 2 or 3 hours, put it inside a sieve or sonnier for the water to drain off. If the atreno is not able to take the tilapia from the bowl, please use onsa. Now, while the water is draining off from the tilapia, add the cornstarch to the blended mixture and stir it very well. No apapo. After mixing everything well, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any oil of your choice to it. Too much oil is not good for the body, so add the oil according to how you want your health to be tomorrow, next week, next month, or in the future. So after mixing everything well, spread the blended mixture on the tilapia. Pour some little oil on the tray. If you don't have brush to spread it, don't worry. Use kitchen tissue paper. After that, spread some little blended mixture sauce on the tray and then put your tilapia on it. And you are ready to grill it or toast it or bake it. The value is the same. Grill it at 180 degrees Celsius. After grilling it for some time, you need to take it and overturn it and spread the blended mixture on it again. When you finish, get yourself a chair and say your prayers. And then take one on a plate. Take your time so that it does not break or ambubu. If you finish and you are wearing a cap, please put it somewhere and enjoy your tilapia. One thing, please, when eating your tilapia, be careful of the bones of the tilapia. It nearly reduced my appetite. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and comment.